はい、今日はレトロブした文豊のコミュニケーショントレーナーやヘルシーコンサルタント and commentator on modern politics and every kind of matter. Presentation from Fumio no Human Power University. Today, August 15th, Friday. This August 15 is the ceasing point of Japan and America's war 80 years ago. Memorial Day of World War II. Okay, 終戦記念日. Okay, today I would like to recommend you, it's a third time. Past 2 days I talked on Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report because I strongly recommending you taking a look at YouTube of Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report because to study in order to summarize and the history of this country after Meiji restoration, Meiji Ishin, and after World War II, the 80 years. This country, our Japan, has been coming what kind of way after World War II. What was the main driving force of this country to control? Mainly the America. Because 80 years ago, this country, Japan, has been defeated dynamically, absolutely defeated by America. So this country became a colony of America mentally and every kind of physically and every kind of economics. So that we are deeply, strongly has been controlled by America. Because why I say is I have been working for a top class American, two American company, and as a vice senior manager under the president, I have been working for in order to strategist of the company. And periodically I go to the American Embassy in Akasaka, and I have many meetings with the staff of America, in order to make a strategy of our company's, business strategy, and American Embassy was just seriously supportive to an American-based company, operating in Japan. So I realized, oh my God, Japan, such a companies operating in this country are so much deeply getting support from America. By asking to American Embassy, the mainly the key window was the Shomukan, commercial attaché, Shomukan. So I realized, this country, Japan, is deeply influenced and controlled by America. Without having the support of America, nothing going forward. Okay. Why I recommend you to taking a look at YouTube, Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report, because in order to study the reality of this company, mainly after World War II, what style, what kind of power has been enforced this country even now? In order to get a nice, real information to see the, taking a look at the HOOVER report, introduced by Nishi Toshio-san is very instructive, very productive for us. Okay, without realize the genuine and the real history of our company, this country. Yeah, after Meiji Restoration and after World War II, 80 years ago, we cannot get the real understanding. Okay, in order to know the real history, to see the YouTube 大学中島敦彦さん, it is my source, very nice source for me, 中島敦彦さん's YouTube 大学, and another one is 池上彰さん's speech. Yeah, through the TV, he is a major commentator, NHK or other various kind of TV. He is a key person to make this country's people educating. But I say the talking by Ikegami Akira-san deeply influenced by America's needs. America's intention, America's strategy, so that talking, by Ikegami Akira-san, for example, news, そうだったのか. Such materials, will be teach us. I say, in conclusion, 50% of talking by Ikegami Akira-san through such a major TV, NHK or TV, Television Asahi also, there are no, 50% of talking contents are mistaken, to compare to real matters. So that I recommend you to see the HOOVER report. Why Ikegami Akira-san are talking so false, mistaken information? Because this country is strongly controlled by America even now. So that to survive in TV commentator, the whole content to speak up should be in accordance with American needs or American intention. Without that, such a TV commentator or TV man will be wiped out from their position. So that why Ikegami Akira-san has been working so many years until the so elderly ages, because his speaking is absolutely according to an American intention. Because also this country has been strongly controlled by America's power of CIA or White House. But we Japan should be independent from America. If possible from now on. We should release from the strong control of America, so that in this time there appeared very nice political party, for example, 参政党, 国民民主党 and others. In this time, LDP and Komeito is thinking. Maybe now within 10 years, LDP will be bankrupted. Instead of that, newcomer, 参政党 or 国民民主党, such a very brilliant party will be, support, for us. In order that, as a citizen, we should study. And we should get the real information of according to about this country. Mainly the history from the World War II, these 80 years, and history of after Meiji Restoration, Meiji Ishin. That is very important in order to make our future strategy of course, individually as one citizen in this country, and we should have an influence to other people by studies such as best, yeah, information got. Yeah, Nishi Toshio-san's HOOVER report is strongly recommend you to taking a look at. Thank you very much.